Good morning, good people. Good morning. It is good to be back with you today. Hey, everything is green right now. Everything is green. Good morning, everybody. I will come to the comments in a minute. I'll start from the first comment and work my way back through. You guys know how we do this. I like to front end this and get you this news as soon as possible so you can be on your merry way. For those of you that are going to work, just leave me a good morning and leave me a coffee mug, okay? All right, today is National Coffee Day, and you guys know that coffee is my drug of choice. All right, so let's go. So there's a lot going on today. Let's look and see where things are right now. As we could see, the opening bell is in 25 minutes. The Dow is up 200 points. S&P is up, and the Nasdaq is up. You guys can see that. That's in real time. Good morning, Liberty, 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 Liberty. I know you're tired of hearing that commercial. All right, so let's see. Right. So we got all of this data. Let's go right to it. I still got my complicated notes, my sophisticated notes from yesterday, and as I was sitting in the car, but I took some notes here. Got this stupid phone. I'm trying to learn how to use this new phone. How many of y'all got this new phone with these new gadgets moved everywhere? All right. So oil is up 30% per barrel, right? That's one of the things that's happening. Listen to this because this is the most important thing that I'm going to say on this video today, Friday, the last trading day of the year, right? The government shutdown decision is due by the end of day tomorrow, which is Saturday, all right? If there's no decision by Sunday night, right? Monday's stock session, I'm just going to say will be interesting. It will be interesting, all right? Our politicians are more focused on impeaching the present and past president than getting this debt ceiling deal done, right? But they will take on some heat if we don't meet this deadline, right? So it will be short lived. That will present a opportunity to buy if that happens. Okay, all right. So we have and then the UAW. We got 18,000 members, 41 locations in 21 states. Okay, they're still going to do a coordinated walkout on more plants as time runs out for them, and then they could go on a full-on strike. You're talking about 18,000, all right? Hey, what's up, good people? You're talking about 18,000 people. So you got all of this bad data, and some of the data that I went over. Bond yields are up. Bond yields are up. People are buying bonds, all right? Where's the gold bar? All right, listen. On yesterday, Costco sold out of South African gold bars worth 1,950 up to 1,980 bucks. This happened. All of this is going on while what? While the market is green. All right, let's go to the markets and see. Look at this. I pulled up Ford because with all of the looming threatening strikes, the Ford, GM, and Stellantis has actually been good, right? So look at this, 210 on the Dow. S&P, look at that. NASDAQ up 142. So you got all of these indices that are looking good, right? They were good yesterday. They're good now. It's actually been climbing in the pre-markets before the session starts. And we have all of this bad news, and a lot is going to happen this weekend. The reason why I keep titling these the way that I do is because I want you to be informed. I want you to know exactly what's going on. So if the market closes the Dow up 300% today, and then it tanks 600% on Monday, I want you guys to be prepared in all of your trading. Now, you know, there's a lot of risky plays that you could do. Some of you that were in the TQQQs, are now thinking about the SQQQ, but I just want to warn you, and I don't have a crystal ball, that they could come to a decision Saturday evening. They could call a special session, which they do all the times. I'm talking about the government right now. And they can come to a deal by Sunday night. And if you entered in the SQQ, you could get spanked, right? That's one look at it. The other look at it is the market could have priced this in already. This is no new news. The market could have priced this in already, meaning the potential shutdown of the government and the UAW strike, which are two main weights on the overall stock market, right? So I want you guys to get this information and know this now, right? So some of the things why the market is green, we had good data yesterday. You guys heard me. GDP was up, showing the economy is strong, right? Weekly jobless claims increased from 200,000 to 204,000, all right? Meta, Tesla, Nvidia was up. But like I said on yesterday, I want you guys to look at Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Those actually are doing good, okay? MSFT. I'm right-handed. I'm trying to type with my left hand. All right. So here's Microsoft. As you can see in the last day, it went up actually, and it looks like it's up today again, right? Let's look at Apple. Okay. Apple was up yesterday, and in the pre-markets, it's up again. Let's look at Amazon. For those of you that are in that play, I got back in at the end of the day, like I said. No, it's the wrong Amazon. AMZN. Okay, so as we can see, it was up yesterday, again, up in the pre-markets, okay? So just before opening bell, all three of these are up again, and these are heavy weighted, and they are helping the market to stay strong, helping the market to stay resilient, okay? So where are we on time? Okay, 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Listen, I want to tell you guys, everyone that was on the Stock Up tour, right? Everyone that I saw on the Stock Up tour, whether we saw you at the movie premiere, which please don't bring your kids to that movie premiere, dumb money. I'm telling you guys, I was cringing. They did a good job of telling the story, but they had a lot of unnecessary, raunchy stuff in there that had nothing to do with the movie. So I'm warning you guys. It is not it's just, they could have just cut all of that stuff off and just told the story. They put a lot of raunchy stuff in there that didn't add any value to the music. I mean, to the movie, including the music. Okay. So if you're going to see Dumb Money, we saw it last week. But for anybody that was on the tour, whether it was from New York City, for wherever, from LA to Texas to you name it, Florida, I gave you guys a gift. You literally have hours left. I extended it for the ones that we saw at the movie. I extended it to the end of this month. You literally have hours left. Listen, invest in yourself. Okay, that's what I'm going to say. And what else? Okay, we know that, I'm not going to talk about Moo Moo. You guys know that we were in Forbes. Forbes did a thing on us when we were in New York. So the core four, let's see here, not the core four anymore. It's the Stock Squad, but they did it. I'll share it on my video later today. So they had all of us. Forbes did a thing on us, an article on myself, Stock Mo, Keenan Grace, and Stocks with Josh. That was really cool. Okay, so let's see what's going on here before I answer any questions. Are they on commercial? All right. So I got 2 minutes that I'm just going to come here. Boom. Let's go back to the top. Let's see. We got some good mornings here. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? All right. Hey, good morning. Yep, let's get this money, right? So, what are you guys thinking about? Okay. What are you guys thinking about? What do you think will take a hit if they don't come to an agreement, right? That's easy. Just the entire stock market is a grab. But me personally, I would be looking at the Qs, the SQs, right? And what I would do is, this is me, this is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, is when I think the market is topping out today, is when I would buy the S and the SQs. Probably wouldn't do, I don't know. I would probably just buy them right now, limit my risk because anything could happen. So I would just probably buy the QQs, depending on the price. That's up to you. You guys let me know what you are thinking of. Of course, I got back into an Amazon call, right? I got back into an Amazon call at the end of the day after I finished that video on yesterday. And looks like it will be printing right at open, right? Let's see where we're at right now. She's talking. I only have one cup of coffee, so I'm a little loopy. All right, here we go. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Is this video private? No, this video is not private. This video is public. So, yep. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Good morning. I'm trying to, oh my goodness. There we go. All right. Got those cups of coffee. Yep. Got those cups of coffee going. Let me get this out of the way. I updated this system too, and it's doing its own thing. All right. There we go. Okay. Trying to get these comments. All right. Sup. I like that, Todd. Sup, brother. How you doing? Sup. All right. Good morning. Right. Good morning. I love that. The cup of coffees. Listen, good people. You guys see this? You guys see these bags? I'm working on it. I will have, good morning, Gloria. One day in the near future, I will have my own coffee brand. All right. That's all I'm going to say. All right. New Zealand in the house. Yes. All right. DCA. Yep. Weekly, monthly. It all depends on how you get paid. You DCA the way you get paid. All right. Good morning. Hey. Love that. Yep. It's up. Yep. It's up. Be careful. What happens if you miss payment and make the payment in the same card the next day because it's still unavailable to access the Discord? I don't know, Mad Money. I don't know the answer to that question. I will find out, though. Right? You know what? Stockmo would know that more than me. So try Stockmo. Good morning. Hey. Good morning. Morning. Hey. All right. San Antone. Heather. Yep. Do I like sweet and sour chicken? Occasionally. That is such an odd question first thing in the morning. Do you like sweet and sour chicken? I'm not, I'm more of a steak and potatoes type of guy, but I do. Every now and then I get a taste for it. So I'll go to that one place that sells it. I forgot the chain. All right. Do we worry about long-term holds? I don't worry about long-term holds. I actually look to enter into positions. Okay. So like on yesterday, let me get my, like on yesterday, I was looking at Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Okay. You know what? Let me correct something before I go off. What was holding the market up yesterday was Meta, Tesla, and Nvidia. Those were up high. Okay. But if you look at Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon, so let's go to Microsoft. All right. So let me show you guys to answer your question. So let's look at Microsoft. What I was saying on yesterday is in a 3 month, so let's just go 6 months. On the phone, it's got 3 months, right? So if you look at a 3 month session, so if you go to July, August, September, so if you go a 3 month session, you'll see that in the last 3 months, we're at a 3 month low. That's what I was saying yesterday. And that goes for Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Those three are at a 3 month low. So we could be looking, me, myself, my long-term positions, if they go down, I buy more, right? And that's what I'm doing. So remember, anything, you have to go on what your plan is. So I look for opportunity in times like this where the market could really get spanked, right? But now just remember, even with all of this going on, GDP was good. That's massive news. GDP was good, gross domestic product. So the overall economy is showing itself still resilient. And what makes the market goes up right now with higher interest rates is high unemployment. And so that proved itself to be so also. So the stock market is actually doing good. So we got the bulls versus the bears. All right. It's a full out fight. All right. So listen, I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Make sure you govern yourselves accordingly. For those of you that don't have it, make sure you get stock up excuse me. I got choked up there. Make sure you get stock up Look at that. General Motor, Ford, and Stellantis are still all up and all good. 1 second. So these are all good. All of the car companies are good right now, as you guys see. So back to this. I want you guys that don't have it, make sure that you take this time and learn, right? Learn and earn, right? And then make sure you guys download the Moo app, get it funded today. But most importantly, anybody that was on the tour, today is your day to take advantage of the gift that I left you guys. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. I will be back to you today because we're going to see, it being Friday, we're going to see what this market is going to tell us at the end of the day. All right. I love you guys. Make sure you have a blessed day. Be kind. Rewind. Do it again. Live, love, laugh, and learn.